How to change app icons on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, hold on to your home page. After you have done that, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Home Setting at the bottom. After you're in your home settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Icon Pack in here. You can simply choose what's available. If not, you can click on the bag-like icon at the top left corner of your screen or bottom left corner of your screen. After you click on it, click on Just Once. It will lead you to Play Store. You can download any app icon themes available in the Play Store. After it's downloaded, you can open the app and change app icons as you want. And this is how to change app icons on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.